dann probieren wir doch das noch einmal, dass wir es mal rausgehauen haben.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. This darkness takes everything. Everyone.
Senua, are you sure you want to do this? We can fight this together, side by side. We always do.
This is my battle. I have to face it alone, away from here.
Where will you go?
I don't know.
For how long?
I don't know.
I believe in you. You know that. Just promise me that you will come back to me. I want you to say it. I want you to say it.
I will come back to you. I promise.
Come on.
Blood of serpent. Take his mark, and I will change you from me.
Gut, Mädchen, bitte. Ja, 5 euch ein.
For every battle won, a greater battle takes its place. And so it goes. Until we fall. And in the end, we all fall. Even the gods have their time. Yet we still go on. Why?
I made a promise, and I will go to hell to keep
I
it.
die free, knowing you will carry my stories with you. I have fulfilled my quest.
Yes, you have.
When darkness comes, I vow to guide you in this life and the next to fulfill yours.
Then I will see you in hell.
Be ready to face horror in the eye, as I have, to find your answers. Your quest.
Druth was a troubled man, a scholar-turned slave. They tortured him, took him with them on their raids, drove him to madness, spreading this new form of darkness to new worlds, to my world. Senua saw a deep connection form between the Northmen and the darkness. His tales of hell were true. Then that was the source of it. She learned everything she could from him, until she too could see what he saw.
So, jetzt kommen wir da das Örtchen zurück und das letzte Mal, als das paar sind entgegengekommen. Das wird sicher das Mal nicht anders sein. Bei dieser guten Tür, dass da hure feit wird sein.
Have you ever died before? It's a serious question. When the illusion of self is shattered, you simply cease to be. Though it may not seem that way to others, you know when it is true. You can feel it. A stranger in your own body. An imposter. And nothing is the same ever again. Senua has died before. And she will do so again. You can be sure of that.
Visste hur det är tjaffa.
With the mark of Valravan and the mark of Surt, you may cross the bridge over the River of Knives to Helheim.
Why is she waiting? Open the gate.
Open the gate. No, it's dangerous. It's dangerous. Don't open the gate.
Not.
Don't.
She's done it.
Oh.
So dark. It's dark. The dark.
Only the dead may cross.
Only the dead may cross into hell.
كالتاليلات بحيث عند الصخية كلهم.
There is no one here but me.
Not you.
Did you think that I would let you go? That you lost me back in the wilds? I will never let you go. You can't get rid of me. I am your shadow. And I will be watching when you draw your last dying gasp.
I'm not ready to die.
You will be when you see what they did to your dear beloved.
Damien!
In this waking nightmare, where all dreams come true, you searched for control, a way to pull through. When you were in love, you left him in tears, to smother your furies and banish your fears. But in darkness they came. Through stormy black seas they raided these shores. Do you still hear his screams? And now that you're home, he's so far away. They've taken his soul. To these gods you cannot pray. They can break you, but not your promise. Even death won't keep you apart. Through his darkness you will find him. In your sword still beats a heart. You fought for love unspoilt by your darkness within. You fought for your dreams. Now there's no way to win. In the head of his corpse lies the seat of his soul. So you must carry his vessel to bring him back home.
No!
They can break you, but not your promise. Even death won't keep you apart. Through this darkness you will find him. In your sword still beats a heart. The darkness touched you. Everyone could see it in the hollows of your eyes. A gaze averted from life. You ran from it but brought it nearer, led it to him. An endless suffering, worse than death. And you wanted to surrender, abandon him to find peace with the gods. No. The darkness won't allow it. So you will walk into the lair of the beast. Look it in the eye, and you will go to war. This is your mission. This is your quest. There is nothing else left.
Finish this.
When there is a new road ahead, the only one that makes any sense.
Psyken ma caíste. Oh, hello. Whoa. Very music. Big singing that. Valhalla. Most menne timmäkön, niin hier tiedän muuta. Mä meni hietoon. Några orsaker. Schade, ist die erste Stufe schon durch. Das hätte mir passen. Und ich soll verstanden haben, dass da hier noch der Kopf bei uns von unserem Geliebten. Das ist leicht gruselig. Mehr fragst. Aber an nichts kan sätta in det lite efter fight.
Every gate you open into darkness brings another challenge.
Melyik tudtasson egy sárta? Most részt köztes. Akkor spitti.
She won't make it.
Teszik a szangúra. Ott itt épeszít. Az az irányzat, utóbb tőle. Oj.
She's injured. She can see.
Oj! Hé, kände lite stora störtematat visör i Shahura-slag. Det var ju säkert. Oj, så. Vi får fatta stampa. Så det är bättre. Nej, han är nog första.
It's nearly over. Finish it.
Haipa se nyt rätt så här. Saate on niin. Kanske lite aggressiv här. Oh shit.
Capable warrior. Olympic training.
Mitäs filmaa tekee? Mitä aggressiivi? Se on... Tässä vasta on. Filmä. Ei no tää. Tässä on nyt on. Täistä.
He's stronger than you.
kapott már? Mindjárt mindezek. Hú, öreg elmegy. Hát óha. Je gaat het meteen ook saai. Ah, här är det bakåt. Nej, den är finishing. Wow. Doch, wir sind ja das Schild hat die da. Das ist ja neu. La la la. La 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 la. Oj. Get aus! I see. Das habe ich jetzt nicht. Huh.
However you come to the gold-covered bridge that leads to hell, you may find it guarded by a giantess. She will ask your name. She will ask your lineage. She will ask your business. The Northmen tell of the warrior woman Brynhild, who leapt into fire and rode to hell to join her slain love Sigurd, and is challenged by the giantess. The journey to Helheim is never a straight one. Each must find their own path. Align yourself to its secrets, and you will find yours. Hela possesses large dwelling places in Helheim. Tall are her walls, high are her gates. The name of her dish is hunger. Her knife is famine. On her threshold all will stumble. Her bed is called sick bed, and her bed hangings are called flames of a funeral pyre. They say she is easy to recognize, half black and half the color of flesh, and her face menacing and grim.
Hey Willy?
Ciao, Swiss. Ciao, ciao.
Bitte munter.
Ja, sicher, selber auch. He.
Ja, sicher. Was bist du am machen?
Mein Horror-Game spielen.
Mein Horror-Game.
Und dann auch den nächsten Mal pennen.
Ja, gehst du noch pennen?
Ja, halt etwa noch gerade die Mission und dann kann ich dann pennen und dann morgen um.
Ja, easy.
Und du schöne Ferien gehabt, he?
Ja, voll. Aber arschkalt ist doch. Ich will lieber wieder zurück.
So, was schon mal zurück?
Ja, voll. Ja, ich bin jetzt noch 5 Tage gewesen.
It's opening.
Oh.
Who is it?
Ja, ich gehe jetzt glaub noch ins Rainbow.
Ja, dann machst du das. Vielleicht kommt Simon noch mit.
Yes,
Ja,
the source
Ja.
of the darkness. It's coming.
ist der online.
This is your moment.
Der ist online, ja.
Bei mir nicht.
Ja.
I'm sorry. I can't watch this.
What are you doing? You're showing weakness.
Der ist vor
You're not
22
a
Minuten
warrior. You're a
offline.
disgrace. The gods will punish you for this. Pick up the
Aber haben wir noch den Basil
Pick it up.
ausgelassen?
Fight the darkness. Fight it.
Und zuerst Sandel gemacht.
Nicht viel Schnauz eigentlich.
Get up and fight.
Wow. Das ist eine gruselige
Hell
Mutter
is reaching
gewesen, also.
deep inside of her. Stormy seas and lost souls. She's dreamt of this before. They say dreams are visions of our memories, thoughts and fears, as seen by our inner eye.
Ja, aber schon schön gewesen, die Serie. Einfach in einem 5-Sterne-Hotel.
Each one of us is always dreaming.
Ja, das ist natürlich noch geil.
We only see what our inner
Dann haben wir
eye
noch Vollpension gehabt. Dann haben wir gar nicht etwas müssen zahlen.
Is this what hell
Haben wir
is?
einfach können zuschlagen, wie wir wollen. Das war
World
wirklich geil.
shaped by Senua's nightmares. Maybe that's why people feared seeing the world through her eyes. Because if you believe that Senua's reality is twisted, you must accept that yours might be too.
You failed the gods. You're pathetic.
Gell, aber gestern habe ich mal gesehen, du wärst eigentlich noch Live-Übertragungen machen da, bei deinem Hörspiel.
What were you thinking?
Ja.
Did you really think
Und dann war es echt die ganze Zeit irgendwie am Laden gewesen. Und dann bist du aber irgendwie, keine Ahnung, eine Stunde online gewesen, ich am Schauen, einfach nur am Laden gewesen. Okay.
Ja, es tut irgendwie manchmal ein bisschen komisch.
a warrior? Worthless, weak, pathetic. Go on. Feel sorry for yourself.
Nein, jetzt habe ich noch beim Duty Free die falschen Ziggis gekauft.
Ah, hure Schnatt am Kreis.
If you're too much of a coward to fight, then end the suffering. Broken and lost. Just like your sword.
Come on.
Doch noch nicht fertig, das wäre ja langweilig gewesen.
Why go on? When you give everything and face that which torments you.
Hast du wieder ein Gemetzel gegen die Bösen da?
Ah,
Why go on? Is it really so weak to ask this? Or was it so
Aber ja, Uli, dann gehe ich sonst mal zum Basilisk-Party.
ja, das tun ihm zu gehen. Hey, etwa morgen, gell?
Ja, voll. Bist morgen online?
Ja, etwa so auf die 10 oder so auch, ja.
Ja, voll easy. Dann komme ich auch etwa dann.
Ist das gut?
Also in dem Fall... Ja, voll, in dem Fall eine schöne Nacht. Ciao, Uli.
Merci, tschüss, ciao, ciao.
Merci.
that we do not dare to ask the question? Sometimes the answer lies in a memory, a feeling, a song.
It's not real. It's a trick. It's not real. Listen to it.
Don't give up.
Dillian.
Not like this.
It's not real. It's real. It's a trick. Don't trust it. Maybe you're already dead. Who are you?
Do you still believe in yourself?
No. It's a trick. It's a trick. He's already dead. You are. He can't be here. It's impossible.
Come to me. Please.
The light. Go towards the light. It's him. There he is. It can't be him. It's just a trick. It's in your mind. No, he's here. It's in your mind. It's real. It's happening. Go towards it. There it is. You're imagining things. It's Dillian. He's gone. You're too slow. How could you? Keep going. How could you? Keep going. Ignore the pain. I told you it was to trick you. I told you. Where are you going? There's nothing to follow. Come on.
Before she first met him, she was not in a good place. teenager, but not like the others. Barely functioning, she rarely left the house. Her father's in-bell made sure of that. Only occasionally did she venture out on her own, collecting firewood and herbs, errands out in the Orkney Plains. That was her world. Like this one. Barren and lonely.
Senua, there will be times that you will feel alone and exhausted, like a strange little fish swimming against the tides of the big ocean. But have the faith to let go and let the tide carry you away. Because the whole ocean is your home, and it does not ask you to swim against it.
Okay. Jetzt, wie noch raus ins Bericht, das wird ja gerne besser. So wie das aussieht.
It's already disappeared. Nothing lives here, not even you.
Man sollte so eine zweilichtstige Gestalt nachher, die mal blinkt und dann man nicht blinkt.
There he was, the lone figure of a boy, sword play under the shade of a tree. She remembers the first time she saw him. To her young eyes, he moved as if dancing, and the world danced with him. The gloom lifted. For the first time in years, she felt a ray of hope.
The Northmen tell of a great hero. His name is Sigmund. His father's hall was built around a great tree, and one day Odin comes and thrusts a sword into the tree, a gift to whomever can release it. Many try, but the sword only comes out at Sigmund's touch. His brother-in-law, King Siggeir, wants it, but Sigmund refuses him, so King Siggeir plots revenge. He invites Sigmund and his brothers to a feast, but when they arrive, they are met with an army, not a warm welcome. King Siggeir captures Sigmund and his brothers, steals his coveted sword, and readies them for execution. Death for Sigmund and his brothers seems certain. But the king's wife is Sigmund's sister, and she begs for mercy and implores the king to chain them up instead. He agrees. Not for mercy, though, but because he plans an even more cruel and lingering death. Chained to a tree in the forest that night, a she-wolf comes and devours one of Sigmund's brothers. She returns, ravenous, night after night, until only Sigmund is left. The next day, Sigmund's sister sends a servant with honey to smear on Sigmund's face. But to what end? Well, that night, when the she-wolf appears again, you'll never guess what happens.
Nee. Was geschehen ist? Wir zouden het ook heel de lucht zo lachen, hè? Dat steekt daar dus niet. Zo, die gaan we weg, waar? Oh nee, toch geschwet. Dat is die net kan. Schwert hout, wat we met het aan moeten wat zakken.
As the she-wolf licks the sweet honey from Sigmund's face, he bites the wolf's tongue. The she-wolf pulls away, but Sigmund holds on. The chains break, and he is free. After his escape, Sigmund lives like us, hidden in the forest. His enemy, King Siggeir, believing him dead, as his sister plots revenge. And for vengeance to succeed, even the great Sigmund needs help. So she sends her sons to him. But their blood is weak and corrupted, and they're put to death by Sigmund. So his sister hatches a new plan, one that is cold of heart and pure of blood.
Watching from afar, she mimicked him, perfecting her own secret dance, wishing those fleeting moments of light would stretch out to last forever.
Sigmund's sister trades shapes with the sorceress, and in disguise, she lies with her own brother. She gives birth to a son named Sinfjotli. After a time, she sends him to the forest to Sigmund. He tests the boy and finds him strong and fearless, and so they go to take their vengeance on King Siggeir. Luck is not on their side. They're captured, and Siggeir has them buried alive.
She could do the same. See the world through eyes anew and dance with it, just like he does.
Schön, Blümli. Einzelner Baum. Häusli on fast sammi tausi.
What's your name?
Senua.
I haven't seen you before.
I'm not. I don't leave home much.
Oh, Zeno's daughter.
I have to go.
Wait. Who taught you to fight like that?
No one.
No one?
Well, I watched you, and
You learnt all of that from watching me? You should become a warrior, you know.
me?
I'm Dillian. I'm here for the warrior trials. Come and watch. And bring your sword.
You can't put it into words. That moment when you look into the eyes of the one who's supposed to reassure you, make you feel safe. It only takes an instant. Fear swallows you before you have a chance to make sense of it. And darkness becomes a part of who you are. But her world changed the day the Northmen took him from her. Senua knows that there's no going back to how things were. That there's nothing to go back to at all. Stay still, stay quiet, hide, don't tell her.
Their gods can see into your mind. They will use this power to destroy you.
They won't stop me. I can still feel it.
Whatever's left of him, they will never let him go.
I'm not gonna let him rot here.
You're the one rotting here.
Leave me alone.
You will die here.
No.
And all your suffering will have been for nothing.
Shut up! Nothing lives here. You won't survive. You met him by the tree. She met him by the tree. Maybe it's a sign of the tree. He tries to tell you. He's waiting for you by the tree.
As Sigmund and Sinfjotli are being buried alive, Sigmund's sister throws an armful of straw into the grave mound. Hidden in the straw is Sigmund's sword, the gift of Odin. They cut their way out of the grave mound and set fire to Siggeir's hall. The king burns to death. Sigmund calls to his sister to come out so that she may live and be honored. She does come out, but only to tell him the truth. That she had slept with him, her brother, to beget a strong avenger. I am not fit to live, she says, and walks back into the fire. Strike vengeance from your heart, Senua, as there is always a heavy price to pay. And here is the end of Sigmund's story. He was a fierce and great warrior who fought many battles. But one day, an old man came onto the battlefield. Although shadowed by a hood, Sigmund saw that he only had one eye. The man raised his spear, and Sigmund struck at it with his sword, but the sword shattered into pieces. Sigmund then knew that this was Odin, and thus that victory could not be his. He bowed his head and accepted his end. Dying, he tells his wife that she is with child, and that her son will one day make a great weapon out of the fragments of his sword. The sword named Gram.
A sword that can slay gods. Its name is Gram. It was forged by the god of all Northmen, Odin, and gifted to Sigmund, a great warrior.
I need this sword. It's important. Can you help me?
The sword appears whole, but it is an illusion. It's shattered into shards long ago. It is
is said, a great warrior can reforge ground by answering the trials of Odin, one for each shard. The roots of the Tree of Death will take you to new lands where you will face the trials.
Go to the shard. Go to the shard. Go to the shard. What's the shard? Find it.
The metal runestones.
Find it. The runes. You need those. Find it. There it is. Focus. 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 Use your eyes. Look.
Get closer.
Can you see? Go to it.
A king in the north forced the dwarves to make a sword that would never fail and never rust, and that would slice through iron and stone and bring victory to its bearer. But the angry dwarves cursed it. It would be the death of a man every time it was drawn, and it would be the death of the king. Let me tell you about the sword Tyrving.
I don't recognize this place. Where are we? Where is she?
It feels wrong. Where are we now? Burial mound. So strange that we go to such lengths to bury death. Something so very ordinary, inevitable. It's as if we conspire to hide death, because we have no answer for it. But when it comes, it forces itself onto our friends or loved ones. Then comes the reckoning.
Dead in the air. You can feel the death. Do this. Turn back. Why would he bring her here? It's not safe here. Why would he do something so dangerous? Bring her here. There is no light. Don't go in there. Go in. You have to go in. Take the torch. It's too dark. Take it. This will help you. Careful. You have to be able to see.
Who's there?
Dillian, I'm here. I'm here for the trials. Like when we first met, remember? I'll find him.
What was that? Did you hear that? Nothing. Was that voices? Is there ears?
These are the voices of the dead.
Not Dillian.
Don't touch the walls.
You don't know what they might do.
Turn back.
She has to keep going.
It's not safe here.
She has to keep going.
If you go down there, no one can save you.
It's too scary. There he is. There he is. Dillian, there he is. Finally.
Where's he gone?
What's wrong? What happened? Can you hear me?
He disappeared. Don't you?
Just wait there. I'll find you.
This is your mission. Find him. Use everything you have and find him. Get him back. He was just there. How could you lose him? How could she lose him? How could she? Find him.
Senua, you remind me of a story that the Northmen tell about a young woman warrior. Her name is Hervor, the daughter of a berserker, born after he was killed. She's a wild, willful child who teaches herself to fight with weapons. When she learns where her father is buried, her only desire is to reclaim the treasure buried with him, but above all, the sword, Tyrving.
Find another way. It's not working. You have to use your mind. Where can you go? You're failing. Find another way. Think. Focus. Use your mind.
Where's he gone? He's disappeared. You let him slip through your fingers once again.
Think clearly. You have to find another way. There has to be another way.
I can hear him.
Hervor disguises herself as a man to join a band of warriors, and soon becomes their leader. When they come to the island where her father is buried, her men do not want to go ashore. They say that evil haunts the island, and that it is a worse place by day than other places are by night. Fearless, she lands alone. There are many grave mounds, and all of them have ghostly flames burning over them. She comes to the grave mound of her father after passing through these ghostly fires, as though they were mist. The flames I passed through were real enough. Damn the Northmen to hell.
Listen. It's him. Listen.
It's getting louder.
There he is.
Look at him. Listen.
Keep going.
Senua, follow the voice.
You're nearly there.
Dillian's voice.
It's him. He's going to save you.
Find the voice.
Find him. You don't recognize it? Don't doubt yourself, you'll never find it. She doesn't recognize it.
Yes, you do. You know where you are.
She doesn't.
Listen for his voice. Listen.
Dillian, where are you?
Listen for his voice.
Dillian. She can't hear.
Okay, jetzt ist es zuerst mal aus der Gitarre spielen, ich kann erzählen, so viel.
Something's different. Look for clues.
What is it?
What's different?
There's a clue.
Light the torch.
Light it.
Look for the torch. Light it.
Help you. What can you see? It'll help you see.
Where are we?
She has no idea. We're going round in circles. You have fallen in.
You think that sound is Dillion's voice? It's a trap.
You've walked right into their hands. They have you right where they want you.
Oh.
How could you? You think that voice is Dillion's? It's not. It's beckoning you to your death.
Does everything look the same?
It all looks the same. Something's different.
Look for clues.
What is it?
What's different?
There's a clue. Let her think. No, don't let her think. It's space.
She just no.
She doesn't.
Think, don't listen to them.
She needs us. She needs us to help her.
Think clearly.
What do you need to do? She needs us. What do? You need to tell her what to do.
Another strategy.
She needs to think. She needs to think. She needs to think. Shh. Give her space. Give her space. Let her breathe.
You're lost forever.
What are you going to do when the torch runs out?
Wander around until it gets dark, and then what will you do?
Will you save yourself? There's nothing. Nothing you can do. Nothing.
That voice doesn't sound like Dillion
What's
anymore.
happening?
Quiet. He wants me to find him. I'm lost without him. That doesn't sound like Dillion.
It sounds like something more dangerous.
What's in there?
What is it?
A secret room.
Yes. How do you get in there? How does she get in there? There's no way.
That voice. It's not Dillion.
You're too close to stop. What's in there?
Within the burial mound, Hervor calls on her father to wake from death and bring her his sword. She says that it is not seemly for the dead in their grave mounds to bear valuable weapons. Her father answers with words of warning. You go to your doom. Baleful runes surround you. You have gone mad. You have lost your mind. Your thoughts are confused. It is dangerous to wake the dead. Like I said, she reminds me of you.
Irgendwie bin ich nicht verwirrt. Sehr verwirrt langsam. Ach du Schande. Oh. Jag måste fånga verdammt. Geil. Da, hier hat die große Schild drin. Ja, hier ist nicht. Gut, einmal durch. das ist ja ohne Scheisse, Mann. Der hat das Schönste. Ohne Rätsel klar sein. Jetzt sind wir schon mal hier. Nein, nein, kann doch nicht wahr sein.
Herver disguises herself as a man to join a band of warriors, and soon becomes their leader. When they come to the island where her father is buried, her men do not want to go ashore. They say that evil haunts the island, and that it is a worse place by day than other places are by night. Fearless, she lands alone. There are many grave mounds, and all of them have ghostly flames burning over them. She comes to the grave mound of her father after passing through these ghostly fires, as though they were mist. The flames I passed through were real enough. Damn the Northmen to hell. Within the burial mound, Herver calls on her father to wake from death and bring her his sword. She says that it is not seemly for the dead in their grave mounds to bear valuable weapons. Her father answers with words of warning. You go to your doom. Baleful runes surround you. You have gone mad. You have lost your mind. Your thoughts are confused. It is dangerous to wake the dead. Like I said, she reminds me of you. Senua, you remind me of a story that the Northmen tell about a young woman warrior. Her name is Herver, the daughter of a berserker, born after he was killed. She's a wild, willful child who teaches herself to fight with weapons. When she learns where her father is buried, her only desire is to reclaim the treasure buried with him, but above all, the sword, Tyrving.
Nee, gewoon hier, dus is het blauw. Ai, vertigo.